sklearn. Mixture. Gaussian mixture. Description. Gaussian mixture is a generative probabilistic model used for clustering data. It assumes that the data points are generated from a mixture of Gaussian distributions, where each Gaussian represents a cluster. The model learns the parameters of each Gaussian mean, covariance, and mixing proportions to best fit the data. Inputs. X a 2D array of data points, where each row represents a data point and each column represents a feature. N components. The number of Gaussian components in the mixture model. This value is specified by the user based on prior knowledge or by trying different values to find the optimal number of components. Outputs. Weights. A 1D array of mixing proportions for each Gaussian component. These values represent the probability of a data point being generated from a specific Gaussian component. Means. A 2D array of mean vectors for each Gaussian component. Each row corresponds to the mean vector of a specific component. Covariances. A list of covariance matrices for each Gaussian component. The covariance matrix describes the spread and orientation of the Gaussian distribution in a feature space. PredictProbX returns the probability of each data point belonging to each component. This is useful for understanding the likelihood of a data point belonging to a specific cluster. Steps. Initialization. The algorithm starts by randomly initializing the parameters of the Gaussian components. Expectation step. The algorithm calculates the probability of each data point belonging to each Gaussian component, based on the current parameters. These probabilities are known as responsibilities. Maximization step. The algorithm updates the parameters of each Gaussian component based on the responsibilities calculated in the expectation step. Repeat. The expectation and maximization steps are repeated until convergence, meaning the parameters no longer change significantly. Metrics. AIC information criterion. A metric that balances the model's goodness of fit with the complexity of the model. Lower AIC values generally indicate a better model. Big Bayesian information criterion. Similar to AIC but penalizes model complexity more heavily. Lower big values generally indicate a better model. Log likelihood measures the model's ability to fit the data. Higher log likelihood values generally indicate a better model. Visualization plots. Scatter plots can be used to visualize the data points colored according to their cluster. Assignments. Contour plots can be used to visualize the density of the Gaussian components. Pair plots can be used to visualize the relationships between features within each cluster. Fine-tune parameters. N components. The number of Gaussian components in the mixture model. Covariance type. The type of covariance matrix to use for each Gaussian component. Can be full, tied, diag, or spherical. Toll. The tolerance for the stopping criterion of the M algorithm. Maxiter. The maximum number of iterations for the EM algorithm. Random state. The random seed for initializing the model. Uncertainty methods. Predictive uncertainty can be estimated by using the probability of each data point belonging to each component. Model uncertainty can be estimated by fitting the model multiple times with different initializations and comparing the results. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1. Choosing the optimal number of components. Sample use case. If the number of components is too low, the model may not capture the true structure of the data. If the number of components is too high, the model may overfit the data. Fixes to challenge 1. Use metrics like AIC and BIC to compare models with different numbers of components. Perform cross-validation to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. Challenge 2. Handling high-dimensional data. Sample use case. If the data has many features, the covariance matrices of the Gaussian components can become very large and difficult to estimate accurately. Fixes to challenge 2. Use dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA to reduce the number of features. Use covariance types like TIDE or DIAG that constrain the covariance matrices to have fewer parameters. Challenge 3. Dealing with outliers. Sample use case. Outliers can significantly influence the parameter estimates of the Gaussian components, leading to a poor model fit. Fixes to challenge 3. Use robust estimators for the mean and covariance of the Gaussian components. Remove outliers from the data before fitting the model.